the market, whether it's a seller's market where you want to offer higher above list price, or a buyer's market where you may choose to offer below list price. If this is your first time to this channel and you want to know everything about buying and selling homes, click subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you'll be the first to know about the latest tips for buying and selling. Hi, my name is Kitty Cheney, owner of Chandelier Property Group with eXp Realty, where we provide brilliant solutions. One way we do this is by helping you understand the process of buying and selling a home, the potential challenges, and the common roller coaster of emotions along the way. Challenges and stresses are reduced and often eliminated when one knows what to expect in advance. We call this sharing the light of knowledge. We've worked with so many people just like you, looking for help to buy or sell a home, and we love to serve. Whether moving in 9 days or 90 days, if you want to feel heard, informed, and comfortable, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All of our info is in the description below, so we can help you make a smooth move. Step 3 in purchasing a home is making the offer. More than just price, there are an abundant list of terms to consider, many terms to negotiate. First, of course, though, is price, and I will pull a CMA, or comparative market analysis, to help you determine fair market value. This CMA is comparing the subject property, the one you're interested in, to other homes that have recently sold in the market that are similar to the subject, similar to the property that you are interested in purchasing. And we'll see what those homes sold for, and thus help you determine the fair market value of the home you are interested in. We will also consider down payment, negotiate that. A low down payment is often a very nice characteristic for first-time home buyers, but you need to know that a higher down payment means that you are more strongly qualified, and therefore this is a stronger offer. And when a seller is looking at multiple offers, they will often look towards one that has a stronger buyer with a stronger pre-approval, because they are more likely to actually get the loan to close. And so that can be an excellent characteristic to consider in your offer, is noting a higher down payment. Earnest money. Earnest money is money that you put down in advance to declare that you are in earnest in your desire to purchase the property. Earnest money goes towards your down payment. It does not go to the seller, does not go to either of the agents. It goes into the broker's trust account and is held there to go towards your down payment at the end. So it is cashed. This check is cashed. It is fully refundable. If the buyer cancels if you as the buyer cancel for specific reasons within specific timeframes, you get the earnest money back. So it is fully refundable for you. If the seller cancels, though, they are required to give you a matching amount to that earnest money. So you not only get your earnest money back, you get a matching amount in addition. And so it can be very nice to have your earnest money be a higher amount, because it locks the seller in. A story to share with you: a friend of mine in another state had a buyer under contract, and the sellers wanted to cancel on the contract. I don't remember if they had a better offer or if they just decided they wanted to stay in the home, but either way, they wanted to cancel out on the purchase. Well, they were near the end of the transaction, just about to close. The buyers were so excited to purchase this home, and now the sellers are trying to cancel. Not okay. Well, all it took was a reminder to those sellers, oh, but there's a big consequence, and these buyers had a nice high amount of earnest money on the home. And the sellers quickly saw that it was going to cost their pocketbook considerably if they were to cancel. They decided not to, and the buyers got to purchase the home. So it can be very advantageous to you to do high earnest money. Okay, let's see, deadlines. Tight deadlines make for a strong offer. And so tight deadlines are those specific timeframes that we talked about where earnest money is refundable. Tighter deadlines can make a seller feel more confident in the buyer closing on the home and not backing out. And so tighter deadlines make for that stronger offer, more likely to get accepted. Inclusions. Inclusions are things like appliances, sometimes swing sets, sheds, things like that. So it can be important to consider what the inclusions are, what is excluded. There are over 100 different legal forms that we as realtors are filling out that could apply to your transaction. So we'll talk through which of those forms apply to your transaction when it is time to make that offer. Some other points to consider in determining what your offer will be and which of all those points you want to address and how is the market, whether it's a seller's market where you want to offer higher above list price, or a buyer's market where you may choose to offer below list price. We'll want to look at how long the home has been on the market and whether or not it could be a strong seller, strong buyers, or it could be somewhere in between. We'll want to look at CMA values. As I mentioned, I'll pull that CMA for you to help you determine fair market value. And we'll want to look at whether or not we are asking the seller to cover a portion or all of your closing costs. We'll want to look at the level of competition. Is this home in high demand? Are there multiple offers? Has it been shown 20 times on the first day? Maybe we want to do a higher offer. Or has it been sitting on the market for 6 months and maybe we could do a lower offer and the sellers would be happy to receive it. It all depends on what's happening at the time, and we will talk about that. So we'll also want to consider the seller's needs. They may be looking for a lease back, meaning that they will sell the home to you and then rent it back from you for a month or two before their new job change or before their new construction home is done, or whatever their reasons may be. And someone who can offer that lease back may have their offer come out ahead. We'll be looking at the deadlines at the time of possession. Maybe we give them a day to move out after closing. We'll be looking at those inclusions and exclusions. We'll be looking at a home warranty and whether or not we're asking for one. A home warranty is similar to the warranty that you might purchase on your washer dryer, where pay an extra couple $100 for this home warranty or for this washer and dryer warranty, and then maybe you pay $50 anytime there's a problem and they fix whatever it is. Well, a home warranty works the same way, only it's on the entire home, or at least the major systems of the home. If the AC has an issue, then you pay a service fee, they come out and fix it, whatever it is. And so having that home warranty can be very beneficial. And we'll talk through all these points, and I'll write up the offer based off of how we have determined that we want it to go. I'll send it to you for e-signature, nice and convenient on your computer in your PJs at home if you want. Please proof it for errors. I am human. I do my best to have it accurate, but errors do on occasion slip through. So please proof it for errors. Once we're signed, I will submit the offer. I'll send it to the listing agent with an overview email explaining any unique points to it. And I tell you, that really stands out when I'm the listing agent. It's amazing how often I get offers where it's just the offer. Nothing saying anything about the buyers, about why they want this, why they want that, why their offer is structured this way. I don't do that. I make sure to send an overview. I include a pre-approval letter, and I ask your lender to call that listing agent and sing rave reviews about you and why you're an amazing buyer and very well qualified. And then I call the listing agent to confirm receipt. So I will have called in advance to find out what the seller is looking for. I will have sent over an email noting the features and benefits of your offer. The lender will have called, and then I call to confirm receipt. Our offers stand out because we do all those steps. The seller may accept, reject, or counter. They may counter for better terms. If they counter the offer, then we have the same options. We can accept, reject, or counter back. If they reject your offer, I'll be calling to find out why, and we'll probably rework the offer and send it back. If they accept your offer, yay, it's time to celebrate because you're under contract. This can feel both exciting and a bit uncertain through this making an offer process as we wait for the seller's response. Once the offer is accepted, we're ready to move on to step 4, under contract. I'll see you in the next video. If you appreciated the knowledge shared in this video, click follow and subscribe for more videos on buying and selling homes. If you're looking to buy or sell a home and want to feel heard, informed, and comfortable along the way, comment below, or even better, call me. I look forward to being the brilliant solution you can't wait to share.